Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Today we will study English rhymes. Take out page number 22. Today we will study It's Raining, It's Pouring. So, what do you mean by raining? What do you mean by rain, children? Rain means barish and raining means barish hona. It's pouring. Pouring means when the rainwater is getting collected somewhere. जब rainwater कहीं पर जमा हो रहा है, जो बारिश का पानी है वो एक जगह जमा होते जा रहा है. So you can see the picture. Here is an old man. He is very old. You can see his everything, hair and all are become white. He is on a bed. You can see he is going to sleep. He is sitting on a bed and this is the bed sheet. This is the bed. This is the window, and from here you can see it is raining. So now we will see the rhymes. It's raining. It's raining. That means बारिश हो रहा है. It's pouring. That means बारिश जो हो रहा है, जो पानी आ रहा है वो एक जगह पर जमा हो रहा है. The old man is snoring. That means when the old man is going to sleep, so he is making sound from his nose. वो अपने नाक से उसका sound निकल रहा है. तो when it is raining, how is the weather? You feel sleepy, na? So this old man is also feeling sleepy. So he is snoring, making sound from his nose. He got into bed. That means he got into bed to sleep. वो अपने बेड पे चढ़ गया. Bumped his head. Bumped his head means he was feeling very sleepy, and that's why when he jumped into his bed, his head got stuck in the bed. अपने सिर में उस ओल्ड मैन को अपने सिर में चोट लगा बेड के साइड से. And couldn't get up in the morning. और ये ओल्ड मैन इतना ज़्यादा स्लीपी था, इतना ज़्यादा उसको नींद आ रहा था, स्लीपी फील कर रहा था कि वो मॉर्निंग में नेक्स्ट डे उनको उठने को मन ही नहीं कर रहा था. वो उठ ही नहीं पा रहे थे. He was feeling very sleepy. Like you all feel some days in the chilly mornings, in the winter mornings, when you feel very sleepy and don't want to get up. So this old man was also feeling very sleepy and he was not wanting to get up. So now I will read the rhymes. You read it with me, okay? It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He got into bed and bumped his head and couldn't get up in the morning. Once again. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He got into bed and bumped his head and couldn't get up in the morning. Once again, children, I will repeat. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He got into bed and bumped his head and couldn't get up in the morning. So children, you learn this one and now you learn it with action.
Hello students, today we will practice English poem. Let's start. It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snowing and he got into bed and bumped his head and could not get up in the morning. One more time. It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snowing. He got into bed and bumped his head and could not get up in the morning. Thank you.